Hi Kuya Reggie,
Hello.
can you say ano masasabi mong pinaka the best dito sa Croatia? For 1 year ka na ba dito?
2 years.
2 years, okay. Give me 5 na nagustuhan mo dito.
5.
1,
Peaceful.
peaceful guys.
Peaceful, walang ganong crime.
Crime, okay.
Tapos clean.
Clean,
Linis.
okay.
Tapos
Clean, yeah, like this, clean. Okay,
good people.
good people, and then
Communication.
and then last.
Nice.
I still have time pala, okay. Nice. Compared salary, okay
Salary
guys.
good.
Salary good for Kuya Reggie. So, compare sa Riyadh ka ba? Triple daw ang sahod niya guys. So, come here na guys. So, may I know your work there?
Ako, skilled sewer.
Skilled sewer guys. So, triple guys. So, sa mga skilled